kuzovunyelwa ngaphakathi abalandeli abangamakhulu amahlanu kanti kunethemba lokuthi lesi sibalo sokhuphuka esikhathini esizayo.
I think it's experimental. I think that they are looking to see how crowds behave, if there's going to be a fourth wave, but hopefully it is going to open up.
Ushevante Koopman wakuleli uzobhekana no Habib Ahmed waseGhana. Laba bazokube bebanga isicoco se-IBF Junior Middleweight All Africa. Bobabili bahlonishwa kakhulu emazweni abo njengoba Ahmed esendaweni yesibili ngokuqeliswa kwabashayisibhakela abanohlonze.
He's ranked number 2 or 3 in Ghana. He fights out of the United States, out of New York. He recently fought for the world title. So it's a major step up for Koopman, but also for Africa. It's a terrific show for the whole of Africa.
Enye impi enkulu izoba phakathi kuka Brandon Tace no Rock Knapp.
I don't think he will be able to handle my speed. I think I've got the speed and the reach as well. So I think I'm taller than him, if I'm not mistaken, but I do think I'm taller. So I'll use my reach as well and my speed.
Ricardo Malajiga ubize iqhude usabelo ngebinyana ngaphansi kwesicoco se-junior bantamweight.
This is a fight where I need to step up, man. This is where I have to get my crowd back. So this is basically a nice fight, and I want to prove to the world that I can be the greatest, and I will be the greatest.
Ungebinyana ukholwa ukuthi uma nje enqoba uzobe sebheke ukuyolwa emazweni omhlaba.